Welcome back, everybody, to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there, hit the like button as well. And we're talking VeChain, VET in this one. So VeChain has been looking pretty solid. You know, they got down to a penny, Austin, which pretty crazy. Their all-time highs right around 28 cents. They're back up to about 2.5 cents now. They've had some interesting news here recently. They've partnered with the UN. Yeah, that's the United Nations. And then this article comes out within the last 24 hours talking about them trying to take Web3 by storm. Of course, everybody's trying to take Web3 by storm, but VeChain's got a good opportunity to do so because of their use case and what they're building here. And you know, I'll say this about VeChain. I want to get your thoughts. For a lot of cryptocurrencies, you have to ask yourself, well, yeah, this sounds like a good idea, but you know, I don't really fully see the use case or how is this going to work. But with VeChain, it's very, very clear, right? It's like they may have the best use case of any crypto in the top 50. I mean, it's right up there.
Yeah. But it's not sexy. That's the problem. It's not sexy. And that's why, you know, I'm a fan of VeChain. I don't own any VeChain, but I am a fan of it. I have owned it and I've bought and sold and done well, but it's not sexy. Supply chain logistics management is not sexy. It's not, but it's
big business.
It's huge business. It's massive. It's massive, but they've been doing it now for a long time in crypto years, right? I mean, they're doing it. I think you said it yourself. I think they have the biggest use case utility rather that's already there established and all that. I mean, I think, and so, I mean, we've heard it ourselves actually from the executive leadership of ClearCryptos that all things have to be reinvented for the blockchain, you know, and VeChain is out there just, you know, leading the charge of doing it for supply chain logistics. And so for those of you guys out there who don't know what supply chain logistics is, it's like you think of any company out there, you know, like Target, Walmart, doesn't really matter. Amazon, you know, all of the supply chain of moving all those products, you know, from supplier to via truck, train, getting it into an Amazon facility or whatever, right? That's all supply chain and logistics. You know, and it's just big.
Yeah, you know, VeChain originally started back in 2015, so it's one of the oldest too. It's one of the cryptos that's been around the longest, one of the smart contract platforms that's been around the longest. And you know, I think, like you said, it's not sexy, but they've got some great founders. They're already being utilized in Walmart, China, and some other major corporations. So it'll be interesting to watch this play out. But how about a partnership with the UN? I mean, that's kind of a big deal.
It's kind of a thing. Yeah. Yeah. You know, it's just, we got that little partnership with the UN over there. It's just a little something. I think it's big. I think so. We're going to end on that note. We want to keep these videos pretty short for you. This is something, VeChain's a sleeper, right? And this is, of course, not investing advice, but this is one that everybody ought to look at and just buy a little bit of it because here's the thing, Zach. I don't think it's going to be like, oh my God, you look up one day and it's up 40%, but it could be, here's why, because if they sign a deal with, you know, Amazon US or Walmart or saying whatever, they're like, 100%. Oh my God, VeChain.
Right. Forgot about them. Yeah. And I agree. I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
All right. Take it easy. All things ClearCryptos down below. Check them out. Lots of big stuff coming from them. We will see you later.